let other people also join the session. The session will be starting soon. Let's wait for the other participants also. Then we will start the session. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, clearly audible.
Yes. So a very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to our live webinar on how to choose the right career path. I'll be using both the languages, Hindi and English, because multiple लोगों ने join किया and they are for different backgrounds, so that it will be easy for them. I would also request all of you to please kindly turn off your mic as well as your video. Whatever queries you are having, you can write them in the chat box. I'll be definitely answer your questions in the end of the session, as many as possible. During the sessions also, you can put up your questions in the chat box, and in the end of the session also, I'll be giving you time to ask as many questions. Before starting the session, let me introduce myself. My name is Abha Singhal. I have done MBA in HRD and have experience in teaching as well as counseling of 4 years. I'm a certified career analyst, and today I'm here to help you all in choosing the right career path. Before starting the session, I would request you all to have a copy and pen with you so that whatever necessary information you think you are getting from this session, you can note it down. सेशन के साथ साथ ही आप एक दूसरे अपने आप को एनालाइज कर सकते हो, तो उसके लिए जरूरी है कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स आप लिखें, एंड फॉर दैट यू शुड हैव कॉपी एंड पेन ऑल्सो. As you can see the image, it is clearly written there, a step in right direction. आज हम really एक right direction में अपना step लेने जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि अपने करियर के बारे में आप लोगों ने बहुत बार सुना होगा, सोचा होगा, लेकिन आज जिस तरीके से हम सोच रहे हैं, आप में से बहुत से ऐसे लोग हैं जिन्होंने कभी भी अपने करियर को चूज करने से पहले इस तरीके से नहीं सोचा होगा. तो मैं कोशिश करूंगी कि आज का सेशन आप सभी लोगों के लिए हेल्पफुल हो, और डेफिनेटली इट विल ब्रिंग अ चेंज इन योर decision making process for your life changing decision, that is choosing the right career path for yourself. अगर आपने ये इमेज देखी हो तो इसमें आपने टॉपिक तो पढ़ा होगा, हाउ टू चूज द राइट करियर पाथ. उसके नीचे एक लाइन लिखी हुई है, शायद किसी ने या शायद आप लोगों ने उस पर ध्यान दिया हो, दैट इज नो योरसेल्फ बिफोर यू मेक अप योर माइंड. यस, the first and the foremost important thing in choosing the right career option is knowing yourself. किसी भी चीज को करने से पहले सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी अगर कोई चीज होती है तो वो ये कि यू शुड नो अबाउट योरसेल्फ। हमें लगता है कि हम अपने बारे में जानते हैं, लेकिन जब हम करियर पाथ को चूज कर रहे होते हैं तो किन किन चीजों का जानकारी हमें होनी चाहिए, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस। Know yourself. The first and the important thing that you should know about yourself is your strength and weakness. हम सभी को पता होना चाहिए कि क्या हमारी स्ट्रेंथ है और क्या हमारी वीकनेसेस हैं। स्ट्रेंथ और वीकनेसेस से यहाँ पर मतलब है कि किन चीजों में हम अच्छे हैं और कौन सी चीजें ऐसी हैं जिनमें हमें इम्प्रूवमेंट की जरूरत है या हम उतना अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाते हैं। You can also write all these important points in your notebook कि आगे चल के जब आप अपने आप को सेल्फ एनालाइज करें ड्यूरिंग दिस सेशन और आफ्टर दिस सेशन, तो इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू एनालाइज योरसेल्फ, टू नो अबाउट मोर योरसेल्फ इन अ डिटेल्ड फॉर्म। द नेक्स्ट इज इंटरेस्ट। The next is interest. Interest means the things which you love to do, not you think you are interested in. चलिए एक छोटी सी एक्टिविटी हम अभी करते हैं इंटरेस्ट को लेके। यहाँ पे जितने भी बच्चे बैठे हुए हैं या जो भी लोग इसको ज्वाइन किए हुए हैं, अगर वो एक बार सोचे दैट फ्रॉम देयर स्टार्टिंग एज, फ्रॉम देयर चाइल्डहुड टिल नाउ, कितने सारे इंटरेस्ट ऐसे होंगे जो आपके बदले होंगे। अभी भी हम जब करियर चूज करते हैं तो हम सोचते हैं कि हमने ये करियर, वी ऑलवेज से लाइक दिस कि आई हैव चूजन दिस करियर बिकॉज आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन। We do not actually know the real meaning of the interest I am talking about. आप खुद अभी अपने नोट डाउन कीजिए अपनी बुक में कि बचपन से लेकर अभी तक कितने सारे ऐसे इंटरेस्ट हैं आपके जो चेंज हुए होंगे। जब आप 3rd 4th क्लास में होंगे तब आपने सोचा होगा कि मैं बड़े होके एक्टर बनूंगा। When you were in 6th क्लास तब आपने सोचा मैं बड़े होके साइंटिस्ट बनूंगा। जब आप और 9th क्लास में आए होंगे तब आपने सोचा होगा मैं डॉक्टर बनूंगा, एंड देन सो ऑन। So these, I'm not talking about these interests which keeps on changing. I'm talking about the interest which you actually are interested in. चीजें जो आपको करने में अच्छी लगती हैं, which you love to enjoy. So you need to recognize and analyze that what are your interests. क्या ऐसी चीजें हैं जो आप करना चाहते हैं, not because of the influence of others but because of your own interest. So you need to list down all those things that ये ऐसी चीजें हैं जो मुझे करने में अच्छा लगता है and I'm good at it. And you are the only person who will be knowing about all your interest and all your these sides. Now, let's see the image decide. The most important word in our life whenever we are doing anything. Decide. सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम अगर कभी आता है तो वो डिसीजन लेने में ही आता है। द मेन प्रॉब्लम इज दैट वी आर अनेबल टू डिसाइड कि हमारे लिए क्या सही है या क्या गलत, या हो सकता है कि हमने जो डिसीजन लिया है वो हमारा डिसीजन हो ही ना। ये चीज आपको बहुत क्लियरली होनी चाहिए। यू नीड टू क्लैरिफाई योरसेल्फ कि वेदर द डिसीजन यू हैव टेकन इज योर ओनली डिसीजन और इज इट इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय अदर्स। नाउ लुक एट दिस इमेज। It is very clear to all. I guess जितने भी लोग इसे देख रहे हैं उन्हें समझ में आ रहा होगा कि यहाँ पर मेरा मतलब डिसीजन से क्या है। कोई भी डिसीजन जब हम लाइफ में लेते हैं तो डेफिनेटली इट इज मेनी टाइम्स, नॉट ऑलवेज बट मेनी टाइम्स इट इज इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय अदर्स, और हमें खुद को पता नहीं होता कि एक्चुअली हम किसी से इन्फ्लुएंस होके ये डिसीजन ले रहे हैं। Influence like influenced by our parents, our family members, our friends or society. छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल है, हो सकता है आप में से कुछ लोग ऐसे हों जिनके साथ ये चीज हो। I have told in the starting only that the session will be there in English and Hindi, both the languages, as we have multiple people from different backgrounds. So I will try that each and every student should get this point. Decision. Whether the decision you have taken is your decision or is it influenced by someone else. Someone else here means parents, family, friends. How many of you have faced this problem, or many of you have faced this thing in your life, that your father must have told you that he wanted to become an IAS officer, but because of the family circumstances, he was unable to do so. So now he wants you, that is your son or your daughter, he wants his son or daughter to become an IAS officer. And from the starting age, we make up our mind in the same manner. Yes, we want to become an IAS officer as our parents, as our father actually, his dream is wanted to be an IAS officer. Similarly, go with our mother also. कि मम्मी चाहती थी कि वो डॉक्टर बने, बट किसी कंसिक्वेंसेस की वजह से, सर्कमस्टेंसेस की वजह से वो नहीं बन पाई, तो वो आप कि उनकी बेटी, उनके बेटा जो है वो आगे चल के डॉक्टर बने. और वी ऑल्सो मेक अप आवर माइंड कि हाँ, हमें भी डॉक्टर बनना है, जस्ट टू फुलफिल देयर ड्रीम्स. इट इज नॉट अ रॉन्ग थिंग दैट यू आर फुलफिलिंग द ड्रीम्स ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स, but are you sure that you are capable of doing that, or are you sure that you are actually or literally interested in that particular field and your capabilities and abilities are in the right direction? So you need to clarify yourself that whichever decision you have taken in your life regarding your career option is your decision only and is not influenced by others. आजकल जो सबसे ज्यादा होता है कि हम अपने फ्रेंड से सबसे ज्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस होते हैं, कि अगर मेरे फ्रेंड ने मैथ्स लिया है तो सडनली या तो हम अपना डिसीजन चेंज करते हैं, या जस्ट वी गो विद अ फ्रेंड ग्रुप कि यस, all of my friends have taken maths, so I'm also going to choose the maths and will be going for an IIT exam and will become an engineer. Maybe your friends have taken maths because they are interested in, this is their dream, or this is actually their skilled area, but not yours. So you need to clarify yourself. The most next important thing in the self assessment is clarity. You need to be clarifying yourself or deciding any of the thing for your decision for your future, that the decision is being taken by you only, not by the influence of any other person. क्योंकि आगे चलकर अगर इस डिसीजन का कोई भी कॉन्सिक्वेंस होता है, whether good or bad, that will be only faced by you. So you need to be very careful. The next comes with personality. What is your personality? What is your nature? What is your personality trait? You need to, हमें लगता है that we know about ourselves. We think that कि हमें पता है what is our nature, हमें क्या अच्छा लगता है क्या नहीं. But when we are choosing our career, we need to be focusing or going in that direction जहाँ पे हमें clearly समझ में आए कि हमारी personality traits क्या है, हमारा nature क्या है, and with this nature and with this personality trait, are we able to successful in the coming future life or no? I think you can see this image clearly. Some personality types are written there. I'll give you some time, give you 1 minute just to read it and to write on your notebook that which personality traits you actually possess from them. I'll give you a brief explanation of them. Here it is written extrovert and introvert. Extrovert, the people, those who love to talk to people, जिन्हें दूसरों से बात करना अच्छा लगता है, लोगों के साथ मिलकर काम करना अच्छा लगता है. And introverts, those who actually love to work alone or in small groups. So which personality trait you are having? Extrovert or introvert? The next, the sensors and the intuitives. How you actually try to take decision, whether you go with facts or details, or you are an intuitive person कि आप highly imaginative हैं. That means you are futuristic. Some people are there, those who go with the given facts and logics, while some people are there, those who actually go with the imaginations. जिन्हें imagination करना अच्छा लगता है, जो चीजों को आगे के बारे में सोचते हैं, and then they make up their mind. So which out of this sensor and intuitive आप कौन सा trait रखते हैं? Thinkers or feelers? Yes, very important when you go for a career option. This seems to be not very important, but it is very important because जब भी आप कोई career option choose करते हैं, तो उसके लिए जरूरी होता है कि whether that career option में आपकी feelings और आपकी thinking में क्या difference है. आप लॉजिकल एनालिसिस करते हैं, आर यू टास्क ओरिएंटेड, आर यू वर्क ओरिएंटेड, और यू आर अ पर्सन हु इज क्वाइट सेंसिटिव इन नेचर. who is quite a feeling person, those who actually or maximum of the time take decision from heart. So this is the personality type which actually affects your career choice. कि आपने for example आपने एक ऐसा career path choose कर लिया जहां आपको लोगों के साथ लोगों की feelings से ज्यादा you need to be very strict with the decision and the logics. अगर आप वहां पर feelings को use करेंगे तो definitely the decision will not be in your favor. वहीं कहीं ऐसा career path है जहां पर लोगों को समझना आपके लिए बहुत जरूरी है. You need to be very helpful, very cooperative. लेकिन आपका नेचर वैसा नहीं है बिकॉज यू आर मोर वर्क ओरिएंटेड रादर देन पीपल ओरिएंटेड. So you need to clarify or you need to be noting it down कि what is your personality type. And the next is judgers or perceivers. Some people are there those who are very organized. आप में से कुछ लोग ऐसे होंगे जो अपना काम बहुत organized तरीके से करते होंगे. Like they go up with a planned structure. Everything is very well prepared, well managed, well organized. While some people are there, those who are quite spontaneous. That is, they take quick actions like sudden changes. Those who are the perceivers, they keep their options open, and whatever comes in their way, they actually accept it and implement it. So these are the some personality traits are given in this slide. From this slide, I guess it will be helpful, a little bit helpful for you to know what is your personality and what are your personality types. I'm giving you a minute so that you can rethink about it and write also your personality type. Yes. Now the next important thing in knowing yourself is your aptitude. Aptitude here means the ability to do something. Yogyata, what you are actually good at. You need to know about your skills, your abilities. Any work you are doing, whether you are able to do that or not, what things or what are the fields required for the improvement. Whatever you are doing, are you able to do it with logical thinking or the mathematical, numerical aptitude, visual aptitude, learning aptitude? These all things are included in aptitude, that ability to do something. You need to know कि whatever you have chosen for your future, are you good at it? Are you able to do that? Which skills are required for a particular career path? Are you possessing those skills or you need to improve those skills? आपके पास वो स्किल्स होनी चाहिए किसी भी काम को करने के लिए. सबको पता है कोई भी काम होता है तो आपको उसे करने के लिए स्किल आनी चाहिए. यू नीड टू नो अबाउट इट. आप बचपन में गेम्स भी खेलते हैं तो आप फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू प्ले क्रिकेट, यू प्ले फुटबॉल, यू प्ले बास्केटबॉल, डिफरेंट गेम्स यू एक्चुअली प्ले. पर उनमें से कोई एक ही गेम ऐसा होता है जो आप अच्छे तरीके से खेलते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि उसमें आपका इंटरेस्ट भी होता है और आपकी स्किल्स भी होती हैं. दोनों चीजें होना बहुत ही ज्यादा जरूरी होता है. इंटरेस्ट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, क्योंकि स्किल नहीं भी होगा तो भी यू विल बी एबल टू एक्चुअली इम्प्रूव इट. So when you know about yourself or when you actually try to know about yourself, the most important thing is knowing your aptitude, knowing your skill in a particular field, और you need to know कि कौन सी चीजें ऐसी हैं जो आप ज्यादा अच्छे से कर सकते. I guess I'm audible to everyone. अगर किसी को भी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है सुनने में तो वो लोग प्लीज अपना माइक और कैमरा ऑफ कर दें, so there will be no problem, no issues. Yes. So this is all about knowing yourself. One more word I'll be using here, that is self-exploration. This is a very important thing. Knowing yourself means exploring yourself. Adventurous places को explore करना, नई जगह को explore करना तो हमने बहुत सुना होगा. Now it's time to explore yourself. You need to be knowing more and more about yourself, and these are the simple headings and topics which can help you to know about yourself. जरूरत नहीं है हम खुद से ज्यादा खुद को बेटर नहीं जान सकते. Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. Whatever you want to do in your life, the most important thing is you should know about yourself. What are your strengths? What are your decisions? What are your abilities? And then you should move forward or further in your life. Now, the next important thing which comes in how to choose a right career path is know your options. हमें जितने ऑप्शंस पता है हमें लगता है दे आर मोर देन इनफ और वो ऑल ऑफ आवर लाइफ वी एक्चुअली मूव अराउंड दोज ऑप्शंस ओनली. हम उन्हीं ऑप्शंस के चारों तरफ घूमते रहते हैं और उन्हीं में से कोई ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करते हैं एंड एक्चुअली वी टेक अप आवर करियर इन दैट. नो, thousands of career options are available over internet also and over our website also. You need to actually visit. You can see in this image also, be careful when you blindly follow the masses. You need not to follow what others are doing. You need to explore something new. You need to, in this technological world जहाँ हर चीज आपको इंटरनेट पे मिल रही है, so many things are available on internet. Why to go up with the same rat race? आप सेम उसी चीज को फॉलो कर रहे हैं जो दूसरे लोग कर रहे हैं. You need to know your options, and out of those options, according to your personality, you can choose the best option for your career. Now, see this slide very carefully. So many career clusters are given here: science, maths, engineering, manufacturing, human services, agriculture, sports, bioscience, architecture, public safety, information. These are the career clusters. ये career path नहीं है, let me make it very clear. ये सिर्फ career clusters हैं कि even after science, maths and engineering, there are a lot of career options that are available. तो जो बच्चे यहाँ पर 11th में हैं, those who think that I have taken maths, that means I have decided my career. No, it's only the first step you have taken. Now, even after taking maths and engineering, there are multiple options in which you can choose the best option for you. So you need to know about more and more your options, and then from those options, the best option should be taken. You can see these options. इसमें से कितनी सारी ऐसी चीजें होंगी जो हमने शायद पहले ना देखी होंगी ना पढ़ी होंगी. You can go through these options. इन options में से which option is actually best for us, and what are the further possibilities for growth and choosing the career path from these options. Let's see in detail. Science, maths, and engineering. This is just an example I'm giving here. Many other options you will be getting on internet and on our website also. Now, science, maths, and engineering, we choose maths and then we decide to actually go for an engineering degree. And in that also 3-4 main streams we know about. Not all, maximum of us go for electronics, go for computer science, or go for this or that. But these are the things that you actually can opt after taking science or maths. These all options are available on internet and our website. So do look at them. Rather than going for the same option that everyone is going for, you need to be choosing something different, something interesting, which actually matches with your interest and with your personality. आज के टाइम पे जब इतने सारे करियर ऑप्शंस हमारे लिए अवेलेबल हैं, जिसमें हम अपनी स्किल्स एबिलिटीज को अप्लाई कर सकते हैं और हम उसमें और अच्छा कर सकते हैं, एंजॉय कर सकते हैं अपना काम. सो व्हाई टू गो फॉर द सेम ऑप्शन? Look at this image. Don't be afraid to choose a different path than others. The main important thing that comes to our mind while choosing our career path, it is very difficult for us to choose a different path. many of us, actually, some are there those who are able to choose a different path, while many of us are very afraid कि अरे अगर मैंने ये पाथ चूज किया, ये तो किसी ने चूज किया ही नहीं है, पता नहीं इसमें स्कोप होगा या नहीं, अच्छा लगेगा या नहीं, मैं इसमें कुछ कर पाऊंगा या नहीं. No, if you think that that particular path has something interesting to do with, आपको उसके बारे में और डिटेल पता करना चाहिए, whether it matches with your skills or not, with your personality or not, you need to take that same path. हो सकता है आज नहीं, but after 1 year, 2 year, 3, 5 years, there is much more scope than that in that path only. किसको पता था कि आज MBA इतना कॉमन हो जाएगा? कुछ साल पहले तक ऐसी कंडीशन थी that the people are very unaware about this particular degree. Few people actually opted for this particular path. So don't be afraid to choose a different path if it is actually suggested to you, or if you go up with a different path. You should be doing something different. Don't be a part of a rat race. Be your own lion, be your own king. The another important thing that comes is know your resource. तो वो चीजें आएंगी resources में. The first is economic resources and the second is time. कोई भी career option choose करने से पहले या decide करने से पहले, this is also one most important thing कि you should be knowing about your economic resource. Whatever degree you are doing, whatever course you are choosing, you need to be knowing about कि आप उस चीज में कितना money invest कर सकते हैं. If not, so many student loans and other things are also available, but you should be aware about it. कोई भी सिलेक्शन या कोई भी ऑप्शन चूज कर लिया और वी डोंट नो अबाउट दैट हाउ मच मनी वी आर गोइंग टू इन्वेस्ट इन इट, डेफिनेटली विल बी नेगेटिव, कैन बी नेगेटिव इन फ्यूचर. टाइम, how much time is actually required in that particular career field, that is also very important. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है कि आपने कोई करियर पाथ चूज कर लिया तो आप उसे कर ही लें. No, according to our personality, some people are there those who actually want quick results, while some have so much of patience कि हाँ ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, इसमें टाइम लग रहा है, we can give that much of time. So you need to be knowing about a particular field. If you have chosen this particular career path, are you able to spend this much of money in that, or are you able to spend this much of time in that? हमने MBBS के लिए सिलेक्शन के लिए अप्लाई तो कर दिया, we actually opted for this doctor's degree also, but we don't never thought कि how much time it is going to take. जब और लोग दूसरी डिग्री करके मे बी सैलरी अर्न कर रहे होंगे, तब हमें पता होगा कि हमारी तो MBBS की डिग्री अभी पूरी ही हुई है. We have much more further to do in that. So do you have that much of patience in you? Can you invest that much of time in that particular career option? This is very important to know about. So these two resources you need to be very clear about. That is your economic, financial resources, as well as your time, how much time is going to be invested in a particular field. Now comes the last but not the least, scope. बहुत से लोग scope की बात करते हैं. They talk about scope. For them, scope means in a career path. For them, scope means the position or money. कि इस career path में कितना scope है. मतलब हम अगर इसे choose करेंगे तो how much salary we are going to earn, how much money we are actually going to earn in that. But according to me, when you are looking for a scope in a particular career option, you need to look for potential and its application. Sounds to be quite difficult, but it is not actually. जब आप स्कोप ढूंढ रहे हैं किसी भी करियर में, तो आपको फोकस करना है कि जो भी पोटेंशियल आप में है, जो भी करियर पाथ आपने चूज किया है, on how many places that career path you can actually imply or apply. Whatever career option you have chosen, what potential actually it has, and how many paths or how many fields may you can apply that particular potential. It should include the growth and happiness in your work. You can see this image or a very famous quote. You must have read it earlier also. Choose a job you love and you will never have to work a day in your life. Let me more explain with a very simple and a common example. जब games का period होता है, तो हम कितना enjoy करते हैं? We enjoy a lot. We wait for the whole day or a whole week कि भाई इस दिन हमारा games का period आएगा and we are going to play. Why? Because we are not playing it. We are actually enjoying it. We are actually loving it. But वही बात जब पढ़ाई की आती है तो हम उसे कैसे देखते हैं? We actually see it as a study thing or a work thing. We do not enjoy it. तो वो हमें काम की तरह लगता है. जबकि अगर हम उसे भी enjoy करना शुरू कर दें तो डेफिनेटली वी विल लव टू डू दैट. होता है हमारे फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट हम कैसे डिसाइड करते हैं? दिस इज अ पर्टिकुलर फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट. व्हाई? बिकॉज वी लव टू एंजॉय. इट मे बी पॉसिबल कि कभी कभी हमें टीचर भी अच्छा लगता है तो हो सकता है टीचर की वजह से भी हम अटेंड कर सकते हैं पीरियड. बट मैक्सिमम ऑफ द टाइम वी एक्चुअली गो विद द syllabus or we go up with the study. We love to study science, we love to study math because we are able to do that. So you need to be very careful कि when you are going for a job, when we are going for a career option, you should know कि what are the options of career growth in that thing, and are you going to enjoy that work in future? You need to focus on long term goals. You need to focus on long term goals, not on short term goals कि दूर से दिखने में वो चीज अच्छी लग रही है but actually it is not. You need to focus कि long term में क्या हम वो काम कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको याद हो तो मैंने स्टार्टिंग में एक चीज बोली थी, इंटरेस्ट. यहां पर मैं उसे और एलैबोरेट करूंगी. यही डिफरेंस हो जाता है इंटरेस्ट में. जो इंटरेस्ट शॉर्ट टर्म होते हैं वो बदलते रहते हैं, दे कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग. वेल व्हेन वी गो फॉर अ लॉन्ग टर्म इंटरेस्ट, दैट मींस कि इन अ लॉन्ग टर्म में वी आर एबल टू डू द सेम काइंड ऑफ वर्क बिकॉज वी लव टू एंजॉय दैट. So whenever you are doing something interesting according to yourself, definitely you are able to enjoy it in future also. Some people also go with continuous learning and individual development. कुछ लोगों को अच्छा लगता है, they actually are happy with a monotonous kind of work. I guess you know the meaning of monotonous. एक जैसा काम, the same kind of work. They don't have any problem with doing the same kind of work. While some people are there, those who actually need continuous learning, जिन्हें हर दिन कुछ नया सीखने को चाहिए होता है, those who actually want to learn new things on daily basis or monthly basis. So while choosing a career path, you need to actually go for कंटिन्यूअस लर्निंग. ये सारी चीजें आपको देखनी होती हैं, ये सारी चीजें आपको सोचनी होती हैं कि क्या आपको इस पर्टिकुलर करियर पाथ में ये सारी चीजें मिल रही हैं. इज इट पॉसिबल दैट यू गो फॉर एन इंडिविजुअल डेवलपमेंट इफ यू चूज दिस करियर पाथ? आर यू गोइंग टू एंजॉय? आर यू गोइंग टू बी अ लॉन्ग टर्म हैप्पी? क्या ऐसा है कि आप इतना टाइम इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं इस काम में या नहीं कर सकते? क्या आप इसमें कुछ सीख पा रहे हैं? इज इट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर पर्सनैलिटी? दीज ऑल थिंग्स नीड टू बी थॉट अगेन एंड अगेन. Rather than going for your parents' dream or going for your friend's suggestion or their dream, you need to have your own dream while choosing the right career path. It should be only your decision. The topic of this webinar is actually how to choose the right career path. So I would suggest that while choosing your right career path, you need to analyze yourself, not the others. जब आप कोई career path choose कर रहे हैं, तब आप किसी और को ना देखें कि उसने क्या किया या वो क्या कर रहा है. You need to focus only on yourself कि आप क्या कर रहे हैं और आप क्या कर सकते हैं. What society will say or what parents will say, what friends will say is none of your business. Your business is कि कल जब आप कोई career choose करेंगे in a long term, when you are going for a career path, you are going for a job, are you happy in that? क्योंकि तब ये so called society or people are not going to support it. They will have their own work, but at that particular period of time, you will think कि काश हमने ये कर लिया होता. A very common film is there over it. I guess you all must have seen that. Three Idiots. मुझे शायद example explain करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है because you all are aware with that. It is movie, but some things are there in that which are logical. कि जो काम करने में हमें happiness मिलती है, वो काम हम चाहे हो सकता है we are not going to earn so much of money in that, but we will love to do that. While अगर हम सिर्फ मनी पर फोकस करके चलते हैं तो शायद मनी मिल जाए, but we are not going to enjoy that work. और धीरे धीरे definitely there will be deterioration in our growth as well as in our happiness, and which is definitely going to directly affect our life. So you need to be very careful when you are choosing a right career path. You need to be having your own decision in that. So as after this self-assessment test, you will come at a point where you will know what is your interest and what you are best at. शायद ये असेसमेंट करने के बाद आपको थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आए कि आपके इंटरेस्ट क्या है और आप किस चीज में बेस्ट हैं. इन दोनों पॉइंट्स के बीच में somewhere in between, after knowing about your option, knowing about your interest, knowing about your skills, you will reach to an option and that will be the best career option for you. Obviously, it is a very big decision of life, or I will say that it is a life-changing decision. Your entire life, your growth, your happiness, everything is dependent on your career option. आगे चल के रिग्रेट करना या तब सोचना कि हमें ये पहले सोचना चाहिए था, इट्स बेटर जो लोग अभी स्कूल में हैं, 10th में हैं, 11th में हैं या 12th में हैं, they need to actually analyze themselves now. I'm not saying that the people, those who are graduate or those who are professional, they don't have any scope to improve their life. They also have the scope, but the students, those who are new to this field, I would suggest them that they should go for a career assessment test to elaborate about themselves more. I would suggest that you should take a career assessment test. What is career assessment test? Let me brief you. It will include 4 parts: the psychometric analysis, behavioral analysis, aptitude test, and attitude test. ये जो टेस्ट है ये इंटरनेट पे भी अवेलेबल है and it is also available on our website. Many psychologists have framed many questions. After so many studies, psychologists ने काफी question frame किए हैं. इस career assessment test में आप वो questions ही answer करते हो. Your subconscious mind knows about yourself, but sometimes we actually are unable to recognize it. But when we answer this question, we actually answer on our thinking or on our personality. This is not computerized. कोई भी क्वेश्चन आपके सामने पुट अप किया जाएगा तो आपको जो लगेगा कि आपके बिहेवियर के अकॉर्डिंग आप करते हैं वो चीज आप वहां पर आंसर पुट अप करेंगे एंड यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट. And the answers are not wrong because these questions and these answers are actually being framed on the basis of the psychological studies. According to your psychology, according to the psychologies of the different people, questions frame kiye gaye and you can answer them. And after, on the basis of your answers, you will get the result. And on the basis of that result, which career option will be suitable for you will be given to you in that career assessment report. And if you further want to give this assessment, they are available on internet. And if you are unable to understand it or want more clarification in that, then you can consult any of the counselors. There are so many career counselors available which will give you a proper and a perfect guidance in the assessment of this particular career assessment test. Sometimes the student face these problems. Many students they are unable to convince their parents. वो अपने parents को convince करने में successful नहीं होते for a particular thing. तो आप काउंसलर के पास अपने पेरेंट्स को भी लेके जा सकते हैं जिससे आपके पेरेंट्स को काउंसलर और अच्छी तरीके से समझा सके और गाइड कर सके एंड यू विल बी एबल टू चूज द राइट करियर पाथ. देयर यू कैन हैव एन one-on-one discussion with the counselor. You can take your parents also with them. They will be guiding you for the best career option according to your career assessment test, and definitely you will get more clarification that how you are going to choose the right career path and on the basis of your interest and capabilities and personality, which is the right career option for you. Like this is our website where you can see a career library is available. You can click on this and you will get multiple career options. There is the name of the website is also given. It is given on the last of the PowerPoint presentation also. From there also you can note it down. Career library is available here where you can get multiple options, multiple career options. Career assessments are also given for students separately and for professionals. There is a different career assessment for 8, 9, 10 and different for 11, 12 as well as for graduates and for professionals. So anytime you find it necessary that you should go for this career assessment test, you can visit our website anytime. It is free to visit and it is free to give these career assessment tests, and the career library is also open and available for everyone there. Now, some people who have joined the seminar late, I'm summing up the seminar with my points here. So I will be giving a brief detail about them. So it will be helpful for you. These are some points which we have taken in our seminar. That is, know yourself. You need to be the first and the foremost important thing. You should know yourself. आपको अपने बारे में पता होना चाहिए. आपको अपने interest के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. अपनी strengths और weaknesses के बारे में पता करना होगा. You need to clarify yourself. Whatever decision you have taken to choose the right career path, is it your decision or is it under any influence of your parents, friends, family, or society? You need to know about your personality. What is your nature? What are your personality traits? Are you an introvert or an extrovert? Are you a person who thinks from heart or you are a person who thinks logically? You need to know about your skills, your aptitudes. आपको अपनी योग्यता, अपनी क्षमता, अपनी ability, ये सब चीजों के बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए, and you need to be knowing about it by analyzing yourself and assessing yourself. You need to know your options. Options here, I mean the different career options. Thousands of career options are available over internet, and as I have told you on our website also, as I have shown you in the slides, in this career library, you will be getting many multiple options for every field. It is for all, helpful for all, for graduates, for professionals, for students of 8th, 9th, 10th, and 11th, as well as 12th. So you need to know your options, and out of these multiple options, you need to be choosing the best option for you according to your personality. You need to know about your resources. Resources here, I mean financial resources and economical resources. Whether the career option, whatever you have selected, are you able to go with the financial resources which are available to you? Are you able to spend time which is required to complete the particular course or particular degree or particular career option? So you need to know your resources, whether you are able to go up with the money as well as with your time. Next is scope. Scope, I have told you that scope of a particular career option means that how much potential or how much growth is there in a particular career option. आगे चल के जो भी career option आपने choose किया उसमें scope का मतलब सिर्फ money से नहीं है, ना ही हमें उसे money से जोड़ना है. We are not only talking about salary, we are talking about our individual growth, our potential, our happiness. So the scope of a career option should be related to happiness as well as development of ourselves as an individual. Next, you can go up with the career assessment test also, which are available over internet as well as on our site also. And if you feel so, you can seek guidance of career counselor, which are certified as well as they have studied a lot in this particular field. So it will be better for you to take help and guidance from them if you feel so. Otherwise, I hope and I wish that from this session, a little bit or maybe more, you are able to assess yourself on your own. The points, if you have listened carefully, the points, if you have noted carefully, it will be today only helpful for you to assess yourself in a better way. This is our Facebook page. You can join our Facebook page also, so that in future when we are going to put up new videos and latest updates and the guidance pages and the guidance videos, it will be possible for you to go up with those videos and choose the right and the best option for your career in future. These are the details of our website and Facebook page. On the advertisement of this particular webinar, there is a point written there that all the participants or attendees will get a participation certificate. Yes, you will be getting a participation certificate. For this, there is a process that you have to follow. A WhatsApp number is actually given here. You have to save the contact as a Wise Move counselor. On WhatsApp, on this WhatsApp number, you have to send the following details: your name, your class, and if you feel so, you can go up with a thumbs up. That means your feedback. Whatever you have learned from this is actually optional. Whatever you have learned from this particular webinar, you can give your feedback also, that was it helpful for you or not. But the name and class need to be mentioned very clearly in the message, as on the basis of that only you will, within 5 or 6 days, you will be getting your certificate, participation certificate. Now, I have completed with my explanation, and this is the time now to answer your questions. So, whosoever has any question regarding anything related to their career or this session, they can ask their questions in the chat box. I am going to read it and will be answering you as much as possible. And one by one, if you find so, you can unmute your mic also, and one by one you can ask your queries also. Any questions? Anything if you want to ask about the session, you can ask.
Yeah, I have a question. So, so my question is, suppose if a student is on his 11th or 12th standard, and he decide on a career path based on his assessment or family opinion, but later on, after a year or two, he does not feel good about his career path. So is there a way he can take an assessment test again, and is there any way that he can again decide which career path is right for him?
Yeah. Your question is that if he has chosen a particular branch already, and after 1 or 2 years, if you feel so that he has not taken the right path, so within that career option, like he has taken maths or bio, within that career option, he can go with the assessment test, and within that career path, he will get another career option according to his personality. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर उसने मैथ्स चूज कर लिया है, लेकिन नाउ ही फील्स कि मैथ्स में ही इज नॉट एबल टू क्लैरिफाई कि कौन सा फील्ड और ऑप्शन उसके लिए अच्छा होगा, तो he can go with the assessment, career assessment for 11-12 if he is in 11-12, or if he is in graduation part, so he can take up the assessment of career assessment for graduates. Within that only, according to his personality and according to his skills, he will get multiple options कि जिसमें उसको आगे चल के इंटरेस्ट भी आएगा, and he will be able to opt that particular field which will be fruitful for him in future.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. So if somebody opted for career counseling from your career counselor, and what kind of support you will be providing him or her in choosing the right way, like with apart from the assessment, will there be separate sessions or anything?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
There will be 1-to-1 session. 2 counseling sessions will be provided to each and everyone who is going to give the career assessment test. Counseling sessions, and along with that, further guidance will also be provided to that particular student, so that whenever he feels any kind of confusion regarding his career choice or his career path, he is free to ask anytime.
Okay. Yeah.
and the mentoring regarding his career option. All the details will be provided to him regarding his career option, career path, along with the details with the colleges available for this particular career path, which kind of test he should give for this career option. These all details will be provided with our counseling services. There is one more question here given. What about if anyone choose biotechnology? What are the later opportunities? As I have told you, if you have taken the biotechnology, that means you are actually doing a graduation in biotechnology, or you have already done the biotechnology graduation. So you should take a career assessment test for graduates. Over that, you will be filling details of yours that you have taken you are a biotechnology student, and after that biotechnology degree, what else you can do, or what other career options are available for a biotech student according to your personality and interest are available on our website after the career assessment test.
Hello. See, there in our career library, there are multiple career options, and if you go on any one and try to visit that, there is also an option. If you try to choose that career as your option, you can take the assessment right there and to figure out whether this option is suitable for you or not. वहां पे आपने किसी करियर को चूज किया, उसको विजिट करेंगे तो वहां पे लेफ्ट साइड में एक ऑप्शन आएगा कि whether this career option is feasible for me or not. You can take the assessment to find it out. So do visit the career library. There are many options we do not know about in general.
Any other student or participant who has queries regarding their career choices or this session, they are free to ask. Whether you are, I hope this session is useful for you. But as a mentor, I would request or suggest you all, those who have participated in this particular session, that today for once they should go for a self-assessment of themselves with the points, key points which I have mentioned from the starting of the seminar, that they should be going for these all points, like knowing about your strength, knowing about your personality type, your interest. Definitely they will get something different results from this particular session, and they will get to know more about themselves. So I would suggest everyone to go for a self-assessment. If you don't want to go for a career assessment test or for further counseling sessions, but you should go for a self-assessment test, which is only your assessment without the influence of anyone else. Not even your parents, not even your friends. A self-assessment of yourself in which each and every answer will be yours own. My contact number and website and Facebook page is being shown on the screen. Feel free to ask anything if you want to ask related to the career assessment test or any career guidance. Do WhatsApp me so that your participation certificate will be with you within 5 or 6 days. I hope the session is helpful for you. Thank you very much, everyone, for attending the session. And we'll see you soon in another webinar to help you guys in choosing the right and the best career path in future. Thank you, everyone.